So here's the step to use the schedule planner to open your instructor schedule with Colibri. So first step, you click on the schedule planner and then you're gonna click new schedule plan. From here, first step is to choose if it's in class or in car. For this example, we're gonna do in car. And then you can open the schedule for the month per workday. So we are going to do in this example for Wednesday of August. We are going to open the schedule for the instructor Dane Danny. And what is important to know is let's say that your instructor will work all the Wednesday except the one on August 20 because he's on a holiday as example. You are going to add this date as an exception. Then you can choose the time block. So let's say that he's going to work until 5 p.m. After that, you can associate a vehicle with his schedule. So I'm going to select the Lancer and you can choose a color. So I'm going to choose orange. If I need to open other day for a schedule, I'm going to click create and create other. So that way, all the information I put is already there. The only thing I need to do is to change the work day. So I'm going to choose Thursday. And then if there's another exception, I can select the date that is an exception. If the time change, I can select another starting time and end time. And I can keep the same car or change it if I need to. And I can also change the color if I want to. I can continue like that. Create and create another so that way I keep all the detail I need on the page. If I'm done, I can only click create to save what I just did. From here, when you are on the schedule planner, you can see on the screen the schedule that is already open. So right now I see the schedule for August on the Wednesday. So let's say that I made a mistake and that Danny is available on the 20. I can edit a schedule that is already created by clicking on the little pencil icon here. And that way I can remove the exception and save it. I can modify whatever I want here, but just as an example, I want to show you that. So I'm saving. So once everything is done, I can go on the in-car schedule. And if I look on the Wednesday, you will see the availability of Danny is in white, like that.